Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting quality strategies for free that are sold in the market. Please do watch all the videos. Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all the viewers and I got enough subscribers as well as enough watch time to monetize my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. On this note, let us give you a beautiful strategy, and this strategy is used worldwide in any segment, any stocks, commodities, currencies. You can use this anywhere. I know most of the people know about this strategy, but still, let us work on this and learn something more. Breakout and retest strategy. How we need to work breakout and retest strategy. As we work, beginners and less than 2 years experience people who are making losses and make them onto the profit, we are using indicators till they get profitable. So support and resistance lines that we need to mark manually, identifying previous highs and lows. But we are towards that making our own process. Till then, we'll use some kind of an indicators to give support and resistance, that too dynamical support and resistance. Dynamic support and resistance means that will adjust to make it new supports and new resistance on the same day, in the same hour, and even on the same week, whatever way. So what is breakout? What is a retest kind of a thing? So we have around across the world 60 to 70% people works on breakouts. What is breakout? If a stock is trading like this in a range in between support and resistance, if a candle breaks the resistant part, on top of it they'll buy, on top of it we'll buy, and we'll make some kind of a profits when market goes up. And everybody knows that if a breakout happens, the same stuff will come back and it will come for retest again in the same area, right? So when breakout happens, stock will move some percentage. Say from here to here, move will be around 5%. Let us take an example. When it takes a retest and moves again, that time it will give you 10 to 25%. So around say 50 to 60% people work on breakouts, and 70 to 80% will people work on retest, and then a new trade will start and it will give you more percentage. This is called investing kind of a stuff, and this is called swing trading kind of a stuff. And this strategy can be worked on from 1 minute to 1 week or even for a monthly. So hope you are aware what is breakout, what is retest, and then taking a trade on top of the breakout and moving ahead will give you more profit. What will happen in between support and resistance? This is resistance, this is support. Price will move here itself. This is called sideways, where we don't work and we'll save money. What happen if you work here? most of the traders SL will hit here before it reaches to the profits. Hope you understand what is breakout, what is retest, and then it will move up. Similarly, a stock price comes down. This is called breakdown. People will enter here and price will move down, and after that it will be again come back, retest, and again it will move even further to have downside. So if a stock is in the range for considerable time, stock need to break out. This is the nature of the stock. Retest, it will go up. Stock in the range, either it will break out or break down. Retest, again come down. So why retest will happen? Why retest will happen is the key thing. Now you and me buy 100 quantity or 150, 200,000 quantity for say, for few thousands value stocks that we buy. But FIIs and DIIs, they wait here and also here to make huge quantities. Say 10x crores of rupees they'll invest by FIIs and 1x crores of rupees invest by DIIs. DIIs means domestic institute investors, that investors sits in India and work. Foreign institute investors, they work from outside but still they handle few trades and they'll make stocks move from their huge investments. So what we need to do, we need to follow their footprints, then only we'll be profitable. Otherwise, we'll be making losses. You buy or I am buying or we hundred of traders are buying on the stock, we even can't move a stock price to 1 rupee. If DIIs works there, they'll move the stock price to 5%. If FIIs are working on the same stock, they'll move the stock price to 25% or even 50%, where our investors or novice investors will start buying from there from new highs. Their FIIs again they'll sell or DIS they'll again sell and price will come down. So now this is the nature of the stock and nature of the FIIs, DIS buying and holding. Now what we do, we see how this will happen in our charts and how we can easily buy the scripts. How this will happen? Let us see now. And if you're first time visitor, we have a lot of quality content in this channel. Please go through them, like the videos and subscribe. If you're new one, then pause the video, subscribe first and continue watching the video. So as we discussed, we'll be working in this and we'll be adding few indicators to have, and we decided that this will happen from 1 minute to 1 week. Let us now just see on the 15 minutes chart as some of the right. So here we need to add an indicator which is called high and low optimized tracker. This is the one, Kevin Oblajic, high and low optimized trend tracker. Just click this. So you have two lines, dynamic and support, two lines. In this only one change that we are going to do, take out this and we'll add exponential moving average stuff, right? So this is the key thing for that what we work, and this works for any script, indexes, stocks, everything. So we'll take a stock, any stock will work. We go for stock selection, we take one stock. So on the top of it is the support, sorry, on the resistance, on the below is the resist, resistance, support. Blue line, resistance, black line, support. If blue line breaks, we are going to buy. If red line breaks, we are going to short sell. So this is the nature of the dynamic support and resistance lines. Why we say dynamic? It automatically moves based on the price action. That is what happening. Automatically moves. See that how price is moving. Similarly, this dynamic support lines are also moving. Now we have two strategies here. One is breakout or breakdown trading. Another one is retest trading. So what is breakout trading? Before that, we need to understand any price within these two bands we are not going to trade. Lot of the traders, they'll buy or they short sell when price is in the range and they struck there. They neither get a profit nor they'll get most of the time losses. The SL will hit. So now how to handle this situation? To handle this situation, we have two ways now. Either you work on the breakouts. Breakout should happen with the good candle, not a small candle breaking out. See now, this is a breakout candle. What you need to do? If you have a breakout, like this bigger candle breakout, then we'll be entering breakout, and below to this candle or below to the support line, we'll be putting this thing and we'll be capturing this. If this breakout happens, first we'll talk only on the breakouts, breakdowns, then we'll talk about the retest. See now, in this we have a breakdown. And see how beautifully you got market came down, and you can capture this big range that we got it from this. So we saw breakout, one breakdown. Let us think another breakout and breakdown. Then we'll go to the retest stuff. Right? If 10 times breakout or breakdown happens, retest will successful only 5 to 6 times. That means what happened? There will be a lot of fake breakouts or breakdowns. Now this is the breakout that we can see in this. We'll be putting SL here. Price come back, you got a profit, right? Similarly, breakdown. This is the see. This is you are taking on 15 minutes and intraday thing, where you need to close the trade there in that itself. Take another stock. Morning breakdown. First candle entry. This is your profit. Breakdown. This is your profit. We are talking about intraday. I can make the screen even bigger to get that whatever breakdown happens in a bigger way, right? See, this candle we should not consider as a breakout candle. Why? Because body is very less and there is a big wicks. And see, if you have previous candle tried breakout and failed, this red candle, if you get another green candle, that candle should be even bigger than to this red candle. Then only you need to consider as a breakout candle. Now you can consider this as a breakout candle, though the market ends here. but still you enter here at the closing. Next day you got a good profit. See, a candle, big breakdown candle, this is your profit. Hope you understand what is breakout and what is breakdown. See, breakout, and lower you can put SL, you can capture this profit. You can work on 5 minutes as well in this. You can work on 30 minutes. Anything will work. You can work on daily, weekly. We'll see another script, how this will work on one daily and one weekly as well in this. What happened in this, see that a week, we should consider this as a breakout candle. Sorry, this one, because this candle is a bigger, and also we can see a morning star kind of a candle. You'll be entering here and you'll be putting your SL here. Price is hovering there from most of the time, but you got end of the day profit. See this breakdown candle, you got a bigger profit. Let us see on hourly time frame how this will work on the different script. Which script? We'll take a banking stock, HDFC Bank. My suggestion, people are new, and before experience, you got enough experience, work only on Nifty 50 stocks, any Nifty 50 stocks. Your still dilemma, go to nsc.com and at 9:45, first half an hour don't do any trade. At 9:45, take these stocks, top gainers and top losers, 5 plus 5, 10 stocks. In this, better work only on buy side, this work only on sell side. So we have taken 1 hour candlestick from this thing, and you can see that breakout, this is your profit. Breakout, this is your profit. See, for 1 hour we need to hold for some point of time. First hour candle, as you can still consider this is a breakout, and this is your profit. We'll see a couple of breakdowns in this. In between, we should not touch at all, where we'll be having losses in that. See how good profits that you get. Breakdown here. See how big profit that you can capture. We have even still further. So hope you understand breakout and breakdown. Let us see on 1 day time frame as well, and we'll close this, and then we'll talk about breakout and retest stuff. So daily candidate, see here, breakout, profit. When you taken a trade here, you need to take an SL on the below line, or else previous low. You need to consider this, and this is your capture. Breakdown, this is your profit, and this you can work only on futures and options, but from breakdown we should not have such a big gap in this. In between, don't dare to take any trade in between two lines, support and resistance, right? Breakout, you may consider, because candle body is bit more than the wick, and then this is your profit. This is again a breakout stuff, but that is the last candle of the day, then we don't have next candle to enter. Any candle, the breakout thing, based on the stock size, If 1000 rupees stock, you need to buy 1 rupee above. If 2000 rupees stock, you need to buy 2 rupees above, something like that. You make a rule. If 500 rupees stock, 50 paisa more than the breakout candle, right? Directly gap up and break happen. Right now, we'll see breakout and retest strategy now. So we'll take another Axis Bank chart and we'll see what is breakout and retest stuff. So here we are not entering on the breakout candle, right? This is breakout. We are marking this point and we are waiting. When price comes down, retest, again the breakout candle top will buy and will make this as a profit. See here, breakout, if you done immediately, you'll be getting less profit. When it taken a retest, it's moving, you are getting more profit. See, this is the breakout stuff. Retest, big profit. So breakout retest will happen on intraday prospective as well. Let us see now how that will work. Breakout profit will be there but bit less. Breakout plus a retest will have a more profit. Only thing you need to wait more consciously. See, we didn't get a chance here, but this is the breakout. Retest happened and on top of it we need to buy. On top of it, it is within the inside. So if you get a candle somewhere here, we would have brought, but on the gap up, it given a bigger profit in 5 minutes candle. So now breakout and retest. In this day, this is the breakout candle, right? It went, again it taken the retest part, and if you draw a line here, this is your entry, and from here you would have captured, this is the breakdown plus retest, this thing. Sometimes what will happen, breakdown, we are not entering, we marked it. Again retest happened in the second candle itself, and from there we can capture this profit. Just understand few critical stuff. This is must. No, you find if everything is entry, then it's little tough, right? See, let us think this is a breakout stuff. We just mark it. After retest, you will be entering here. Retest in the sense it should go inside support and resistance. From there, it should be breaking again on the breakout point. This one. This is your profit. Key things, if breakout happens, candle should be good enough size and wick should be very small, or else no wicks is more this thing. If a candle like this, that is not called a breakout, it is testing our patience. We'll take another stock and we'll see slow moving stock, ITC India Limited. How you define breakout and retest? Price should be inside, then it is coming out. You may be considered this is a breakout point. You are not entering. In the first strategy, you can enter and capture this portion, but now we are talking about retest. See, this retest happened. When you find another red candle, you will be entering there and you will be capturing this move. In between, ever trade, it will hit your stop losses. Breakdown, you feel this one, your SL will be hit. Make sure that no one can capture 10 out of 10 successful trades. What you need to do, at least you're successful on 7 trades every 10 trades or 6 trades every 10 trades, you will be profitable. How you need to plan your trade? When you are entering, see that the previous low should be not much difference, so that you can capture 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. In that way, you will be getting profit. If you are working 1 is to 1, you won 6 trades, you lose 4 trades, then you are capturing only 2000 rupees. But if you are working 1 is to 2, you are winning 6 trades and losing 4 trades. For each trade, risk 1000 rupees, profit 2000 rupees. Then for 6 trades, you are earning 12,000. For 4 trades, you are losing only 4,000. 12,000 minus 4,000 in a week, you are making 8,000. So hope you understand breakout breakdown strategy. That is first strategy. The second strategy, whatever we discussed, breakout plus a retest strategy. That is the second strategy. This is breakout, and again it is a retest. It should at least touch our support line or else in between. Then you can consider this candle touching. So you may be consider this as a breakout, and this is the breakout. This is the retest, and this is your profit. Hope you understand this strategy very well. In the world, most of the traders, around 60% traders, will work only on breakouts. Immediately, if they got a breakout, they'll buy. They draw the 11s. And even more people, they may be putting moving averages, Bollinger Bands, anything. If they are getting entry, that could be retest, and then they are entering there. Some people, what they do after breakout, they don't wait for retest. Let us consider this is a breakout. This is something advanced. They need to enter somewhere here, but they are experienced. What they do, they draw a trend line from here to here. This is the trend line. When trend line breaks, they'll enter here, they'll capture even bigger profit. My suggestion, don't get into that. I'll show you that again once again. My suggestion, just observe, don't get into that as of now. You get more experience on any strategy, then you can work. If price is coming down, what they'll do, they just draw the trend line from here to here. If trend line breaks, they'll enter on this candle and they'll capture this profit. They don't wait for the retest. This is breakout candle. What they do, they draw a line. This is the line they keep here, and the price need to go again inside, right? And when that breaks, on top of it here, we didn't get a trade, but for them, they'll draw a trend line here. They'll capture this profit. So that is bit advanced stuff. Now only you plan and do on breakouts, whether you want to do a breakout trade or else breakout plus retest trade. You can consider that breakout trade you are getting 100 rupees. Breakout and retest, you will be working on the same stuff, then you will be getting 200 rupees. In the breakout, you will be getting 10 trades. breakout retest, you will be getting 5 to 6 trades only, because all breakouts may not be the right breakouts. There will be a breakdowns, right? So watch this video several times. If you have any questions, then you can put it in the comment box. I'll answer that. I'm telling you, this strategy worldwide, lot of people, you know, now fundamental stuff is not working in the market because wars are going, and slowdown is happening in the economy. All this stuff is not happening on the investing part. That is, fundamentals are not working. Even fundamental good companies are falling because without no reason. So if technicals are good, then you will be capturing the quick profits, 25 to 50% profit very easily. See, let us think ITC didn't do better in cigarette sector or hotel sector that they have. But still, if this breakout happens, you can capture this profit. If you invest in the same stock, see, it fallen drastically down, and it is going down and down from here down. And I want to give one suggestion that people are says that some strategies are not working, some strategies are working. This I'm keep on hearing. Now, before you take a trade, just analyze the stock that you are working on, any time frame that you want to take the trade. If stock is falling like this, you need to enter on the buy side. What you need to do? You can't enter here. When it comes down and again going up, that means you need to enter here. This is called breakout. See here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Stock is falling. When stock is coming up, then higher high, higher low should happen, and this low should not breach this low. Then only you need to enter. Similarly, if stock is going up, if stock is coming down, you should not enter here. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is bullish stuff. You should not enter here. Price should again go back. It should not breach the previous high. This should be lower high compared to this high. This should be lower high. When it come down, you can enter here. This is called a breakout trade. If you work like this, you will be successful. But most of the people, when stock is turning, they try to buy here. Again, it will go up. See now, stock is high. People will buy here. Stock is coming down. Even upside, it will come down, right? Higher low will happen. They'll be hitting SL. But where you need to buy? When it is again going up, after breaking this, you need to enter. After breaking this, you need to enter. You need to capture this. You need to capture this. Don't dare to capture the small stuff. That is the key in stock market. On the coming downside, you want to capture these small upsides, then your SLs will hit. But you try to capture this bigger downsides, you should be getting more profit. If you are enter somewhere here, you will be losing your trades. If you make this in your mind whenever you are taking a trade, most of the trades will be successful. Indicators may give indicators we written, right? Indicators we in the sense some experts written, but stock market works on the emotions, each individual. Now there is a big bull in one stock. Results are good, everything. But a big player want to sell their stocks and they want to go into Japan and invest somewhere because of no reason he'll sell the stock and they take their money. Though the stock fundamentals are very good, results are very good, stock price is going last 2 days and you think that it'll go beyond whatever targets that you feel, but a big player sends 1 lakh crores of stocks in ITC, no one can stop him. The stock price will fall because he want to take his money in that stock and he want to invest some other country. Now people are moving different countries. They find India is better country and they are putting a lot of money in India. Now big players are even thinking that even some other small countries doing similar to India are better than India, and they have lot of good fundamentals in that specific countries on specific stocks. So they are taking FIS money from India to some other countries. So you can't handle that trade. If you work on technicals, if FIS are taking money, you can find the breakouts, breakdowns, and the retest. You can find all this stuff in any stock in any specific time frame. Like that, you can make money. So focus on this strategy, because lot of trading fraternity use this strategy. My sincere suggestion is to wait for the retest and then take the trade when the breakout place, when retest happened and going up, or retest happened and going down. That is the place where you need to take a trade, though you get a less trades, but you'll be getting more profit. So use that NSE stocks that what we shown earlier. These five stocks work only on bullish side, these five stocks work on only bearish side. You'll be getting profit. All right, then we'll wind up here. I'll come back with another strategy next week. Thanks once again. My YouTube channel got monetized. Thanks each and every one viewer, and special thanks to those who subscribed me and watching all my videos going forward. I'll iterate again that I'm not waiting here to get money from you people to give a paid videos and all. This channel is completely free. My only request is that you watch this channel, watch one video, then there are hundreds of videos. You can watch them one by one. You'll be getting a lot of knowledge, and subscribe and watch this video, and you can share this channel information to your friends so that they'll also like this, so that I can make more videos. And slowly we'll jump into the options, futures, mutual funds, ETFs. There is long way to go, even commodities and all. Slowly, one by one, it is a big marathon. Don't think that in November, December you make money. There is a lot of life ahead, and you can make tons of money without sufficient knowledge. If you put finger in the stock market, only thing happen is that you blow up your capital. That should not happen. That is the intention I created this channel. All right, then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video. If you are first timer, subscribe the video and also watch all the videos. Please do share to others as well. Please put a positive comment so that I'll be getting motivated. Thank you. Bye bye.